Hey everyone, this will be a quick unboxing here of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge in titanium Icyblue 256 gigabytes of storage version. This is currently on sale for $700 here in the US, which is, I think, what these should have been originally, if you ask me. So they're like over $1,000 that they are here in the US. So of course in here there's nothing exciting, just paperwork and cable and SIM card ejector. Nothing else. Of course in the box for your very expensive phone, as you can see there. So like I said, this is like a silvery blue color, silverly blue. Depending on how the light hits it, it looks very silver, and sometimes it looks a little bit blue. Well, it's kind of blue. It's a very, very light blue. Of course, we have our dual camera setup and the flash. This is how the iPhone Air should have been, with two cameras, not just one. Some mic up top there. Our 5G there. SIM card. I'll take that off. SIM card spot goes there. Mic, USB-C, and speaker. Power button and volume rocker. And of course your camera. So of course this thing is very, very thin. That is the whole point of this phone. Nice, thin, and light, while still being a good sized screen on it. And I mean, it's a very nice looking phone, and of course looks and feels premium. Again, $700. This is again what I feel like it should have been to begin with. But yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be making a whole bunch of videos on this, as well as a bunch of other things I bought today. Alright guys, goodbye.